How to customize Snapchat Bitmoji avatar. To customize Snapchat's Bitmoji avatar, first of all, you have to launch the Snapchat application on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now tap on your Bitmoji icon on the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on this, you simply have to now go ahead and then tap on your Bitmoji option over here. Once you tap on this, you will find this editing panel. From here, you can try a new look by adding your custom clothes over here. From here, you can also add pets. You can also add the background by tapping on the scenes option. And you can also find this avatar option. From here, you can change or customize the facial structures, add facial hairs, or even features accordingly to your choice. Once you do this, go ahead and tap save on the top right corner, and there you go. This is how you can customize Snapchat Bitmoji avatar.